Tinzuo, a check cholesterol, blood pressure, and diabetes.
Ya mani nyina empathy hadda.
Debida.
Ebusiani nyina benum bida.
Our pharmacies, herbal and chemical shops. Dudua, Kwaisi Christian Herbal Center. Ewa Eisa, Suhum Kofodia Main Route. From 0244 413 247 and now 0248 152323.
Eisa Herbal Tea.
Numbi, na wabehunu ensesa ewa pomudrimu.
FDA ahwehwe saa ejedi enkrato yi mu agye atum se eye.
Asempa bia ba. Upesika akostati ejuma bi. Uhia bosia atre udwadie mu. Uye government ana private worker unye sika de ate hot bi so. Uye busumi ejuma unye scan tempa bi so. Eni na quick credit be ma obosia mo atwa ne kakra. Eye collateral free loan na susu savings account opening deposit BRNim de hia ne se uye Ghana ni na wo Ghana card. Se wanye adwuma afiwe mu de kodia na wa na upe o excuse BRNim for quick credit it was 0302 200 390 and 0596 920-833. Number for Biara Frewa enye quick credit. Shenen so say quick credit and loan ewo internet so. Inti shena obiara andada. Bank of Ghana amomu dwede ho kwan na kai say nhihye da ho.
Quick credit. Lending made simple.
Achawajo enkrofo yeti miamo ni ma me de besi bidan nyina na o ma ka chama me sei
Krachi ada wo yo hoho wo akwapem ha wonti Ajapa ye construction and general merchant in Ghana eba quarry block 5 inches and another 6 inches eba sand block 5 inches and another 6 inches sana hollow block 5 inches and another 6 inches tie sa wo pe abo ede asidan sa wo pe anya ede asidan sa wo pe nsuo ede akọ side another binding wires eba building materials dia wontimi nka Ajapa ye construction and general merchant wonta esane se omo enema discount ewo ade bia wo beto bia wo maso cement kura de enkoho water cement num anase miensa kura ye de bekwa koja free delivery wo betimi afre Ajapa ye ewo 0244 719814 0244 719814 eba iron rods abo wo pe anwea ewo rhino mu ana tipa mu eba kwawi na wo pe ewo track mu anase tipa mu a ni nyina ye supply nyina bi open stone ewo kia mu ni nyina ye de bebrɛw Ajapa ye ewo dew akwapem wo Bendel filling station no wo betimi afro mo ewo 0244 719814 0244 719814 kayo sa wo ya party engagement aye anase bi biara wo ye bia wo hia live band Ajapa ye san wo live band na omo be hu nnwom amo feel te Ajapa ye live band na wo beti ne de yie abushia wo betimi afre ewo 0244 719814 Ajapa ye ana
adansi 4 ne contractor for adam for
money oh hey money oh
Ya som tupe on Kuma Radio o Kapemai any Ghana phone na yetie Ya som tupe on Kuma Radio o Kapemai any Ghana phone na yetie on Kuma Radio 97.1 Station Radio Man Kenya on Kuma Radio 97.1 Hey
Midin Madam Joanna, Radio Mitia your command 97.1. So pese we nije, ne unya chede, ne unya hotosu radio tie so dia. Your command 97.1. Okuma radio, Okrabayano, Okuma radio, yendi emua, Okuma radio, Mama radio so ye de.
Medindi sister ya Adara market wo femi Sofie nkwan na onyankopon kam enwuma pa moye metie mo pa da bia me radio ndeda so da bia metie mo abrade nkam ho no mama ho de nyansa mu don na mo fa nya adwuma ne ntumpon ye krabehwe e wakropon ha awo Yesu din mu
My radio.
Moko Matina will break them, Obiara so, Bobo Pio. Magi, Kwe Wokuna, Mumpoina, Piruo. Nase Michi, no breath to see you near. Messana Pomitra, Bobo Mametia. Nase Mekosume, Pusafua, Jimmy Antonio. Marine Country, Yati, Obiara, and Crabia. Nase Michi, no breath to see you near. Messana Pomitra, Bobo Mametia. Nase Mekosume, Pusafua, Jimmy Antonio. Marine Country, Yati, Obiara, and Crabia.
Okoma Radio 97.1. Station with your man Kenya, Okoma Radio 97.1.
Sabra Brenna, a born on Kuna power minutes no Bako Dubako, just 11 minutes after 9. It's a lovely Friday morning, the 19th of August 2022. We are very privileged to have our brother, father, uncle, and in fact our everything. Papa is selflessly as I've known him to be. Okonifi, so be see a Jiwani Ushao Krum, so be see no Kasa, so be see a Shon Kran. Na what was our friends on Radio Media here? One year when Nimbigu as Kakra say, O man is 6 and more better 5:30. Now, or better 1 man one yakakra. Na, in fact, a very fine gentleman by all standards. Moma fa and DJ and I was a PBA will be a Asia Union, ya papa, ye bibia, Jera, Kisedu, Quapon, and away, what Japanese on your bidding como, not na brabo, wabo, a moon sem, I made the yes, dear, interest dear. Na atimi ahye maboni nkran sanse ye free back eni akomienu anapai ye mo e papa kwaba agra anapai ye mo akwaba
ya eja
na pom today
nyame adom me hoye
na anapai de emze unse obi aye pension agra o na look so fresh and young
already asem
ya da jakofo na se efie boko me na so ni menu an me obi an hoye yo omutie de
BJD.
Oh yeah. Anapai, yeah, ni jeni anwa wa kesi se wabeka yensa na yebo wa homa mu so oni di nkomo na oje pinies obeba na edi abrabo mu nkomo. Obi beka se papa ye de wo so atini kam no ko no aba Christ sorry na ogina mu bibia obe kuro mu beto nsa frɛ no ogina mu na wabie na pron so na ye kɔ ne nkyɛn ne fadwen ne agi susu. Wada roma ye ka se owura ntok friends say Kisedu Kwapon am so me papa wa kudi here se kakra
me ni apanyin
oh yeah oni hina bubeka se oni hina
yo wo frɛ me Kwadwo Kisedu Kwapon me fie Kwapon wo me obubu da etusudu woche afia pem mahagrum aduonum asom 18th November 1957. Oh, me wo young echi heya, maternity na wo heya. Benane bema me no friend no ataoyi. Oyo henena na ataoyi. Me ma me no we twins. On an India paying me ma me no we kuma. Me papa nso de Kwabran Kwapon. On nso fie Kwapon. Me go school at Kwapon. Me fie me school as Kwapon Methodist. Primary. and metua so me call middle school kakra or every prep middle up to Form 2. Break up from 3 and me call demonstration middle work upon. If you ho na as I say you call secondary school into me call secondary school no and I mean admission wo Nifa secondary school into Nifa secondary school. That was 1972 and I me sharing Nifa secondary school and so I did it for 5 years until 1977 and me we in the first secondary school the second batch in the first secondary school second batch and young 72 to 77 year group yani the first second batch and the before now na ya tiaso the me yes form wo Pope John secondary school Kufodia if he Pope John and me
na to say Pope John the a sixth form okay that's fine we that's a bre thank you to us by
and I'm here bossy ubanso
nifa e bossy uba yo wadaroba nkoboko
and the if you want and in fact if Pope John no that was 1980 and I mean ejuma wo cocoa board na me wo fire ejuma ho so I had a job minya ejuma wo cocoa board nti me ko fia ejuma se wo cocoa board nti me wo me fia ejuma na se wo cocoa board no sa se me be 1 year 2 years na se me ko school nti me yes me ko school me ejuma na me ko school that time no nti me enroll wo Accra Workers College na that time no ngafi University of Ghana degree external degree program ase nti me enroll ho nti me pon
city campus that's right
nti me pon ejuma fikoko board enwumre na maako school wo city campus na me pon a over pon by 8 o'clock na ya wo form ya nanto ako circle that time na me metime wo fa ho wo laboni nti ne akofa ka wo circle
laboni
yo ako laboni yo sa di na sa course no nga structure in such a way say we first year na you do your first university exam FUE no o pass ya na fi wako campus
main campus Legon
main campus Legon enti na ya economics me economics enti FUE no no crown way selection enti fortunately me pass necessary eco campus enti no necessary me permission wa adwuma mu sana metimako
that's a full time
and say campus near
full time yes so bibi say steady leave
kakra so that time then so na cocoa board for your restructuring dina you were torn between say obeko school
and now be stay
because o kodia necessary
uja wachi kra ja kwan
and yeah retrench at some point kra wo ma ya letter some of us and they say no ya juma no ache kakra nti no ye betime akọ school no hearing free retrenchment fum nti fortunately no we was striking ending out of the retrenchment list
that is ne uko school no kra wo be find out wo dey be sum adwumaku no ka adwuma no kra say dey mo be ko training no nti na mo point
point di no yakoy nti no by 1986 and we really gone
wow
we no and say me sambai me wo Legon hono say I started me fear ase wo a year cocoa board na me wo public relations department.
Okay.
And no more na me na ma but there a whole na me clerk.
Okay.
Because na me first me university degree na me a clerk. Nti me na mo me wie 86 no and I me some ba cocoa board no me buy no na because it's as I me Korea economics no na say what's the department na ma and the no no na what ma me call warehousing and port operations department.
Na eno no be because dwumadie titu be na mudie na yehuna no so.
Warehousing and port operations no more of na yeji cocoa farmers ato nyina no cocoa aye akuafo ato no nyina no
was a cocoa board atofre akuafo ne nchen no
board ato akuafo nchen ni nyina no na trucks aye sa articulator trucks no afa dia brain wo
port ho
warehouses wo port ho na ya de egu warehouses nim
atwenship
warehouse ni ya hwe say cocoa no aren say na ewo aholding still
from my fa ho ni ade ne package ni bibia
ansana mereso say ye be ship na ya ship enti enonum muano no so me here for some years wo takrade first me fiase wo nkra nti efi me wo akra kakra no na after 4 years na me call say adwuma no behu ani so papa na ube develop ebe boa wo wonyimu wo adwuma mu na se wo ukoya wo habo nti ko fiase wo takrade habo nti no ho so me could be 3 years ho no ship ba se wo bi ho ha o tra your friend bibi o friend badges elori koko egu badges mu a bi ho ha ship no abegina Anchorage nurse say ufa tugboat na what they call for ship no sana well koko no and the jo ni ade nyina na load koko isuto say o hwe say koko a ewo ho nyina wakata so sabre no one sabre na warehouses ho yeding port warehouses ho yeding GPH warehouses kakra GPH warehouses na warehouses ho yeding enti bi o ha leakages kra warehouses no so paying the kai fly left and the team on a no young chief executive at the time our catch will say cocoa no better trucks na subestion war truck money de all the warehouses ne leakage mo for cocoa ne warehouse na mo twi tapolin so di na de dia wo be hwe no na o officer say wo shirt gu baby na
utwi tapolin
one gangs ne o gangs boys na was ya cocoa but say one there yeah because wo ni ho a wonje
so don't fra
so we gina no way so shipu cocoa ya na jo asem wo ha cocoa you load wo trucks so o hwe na cocoa na akohwe agu kwanso ni nyina no na se wo
san hwe na mo yeni foforo
make sure say BPI fine the mayor no for some years 3-4 years wo takrade na egusu kosro nti wasande me ba Accra be share head office kakra be assist me bosses wo head office enu mu ano enu wo so meme nko head tema port enu so was a big challenge, but now it's under say yeah gusu ye humanity no na yeah.
We say it was a big challenge. Now open so day.
It's a new place. Wa ma say when I year in charge. So
that's not Takrady kusunya kakaba.
Na Takrady say na me operations officer, but I had no year.
Who in charge?
In charge. We had to put necessarily the ya holding yenyansa near yes yan wo Takrady nyina because Takrady experience near I don't know mo yedu nti o baby other areas we are na aka no obetima ye ti na yetumi ye na nyedin ye ko sabre no na ye wo warehouses no tema port inside na ye need warehouses were outside nti ye adwuma ne man kitten e wo mu ne obi a o we hwe because at the end of the year no Bribia warrior reconciliation. What you cocoa, maybe 2,000 bucks a go house. Obi cocoa no ashipu, ubeshipu, ujebi, worshipu. The worshipu are to at the end of the year no, your reconciliation should show say 1 year shortage. Meanwhile, as a way manager, and you now warehouses, your depot keepers, any. As at that time, you got poor full staff. Until handle cocoa so they are droppings. Until at the end of it, or no crown, you expect to say 1 year shortage, but there can be a surplus kakra. At the end, so 1 year sad in the way.
And why you surplus? That's why you shortage. That's a mamba.
Oh, you I know the so Nipa Baby they had a problem. When you have a problem, it's only say you bear reconciliation.
Not entirely.
Necessary. You hand over my police.
Hey, asamaba.
Challenge, but I can't know what tema at that time. A chirino, you be J private warehouses war tema krum at different locations. That one challenge I want to say war. Uriko ne gudemu. Na wakoda na the Joe Akronfo aba warehouse
abeyibi
no what the ko
okotoma baby fufuro
toma nkrofo rather buame those times because let me say na adwumanete no you need to
very risky
very risky na as I say wo bompai na fe wo ma wani nsuku adwuma no nti before the beginning of every year, I would pray and this I make many about fair. Ya bompai say edwuman ni ebebe mu ye challenge bia no. Erade mame hu. On about 3-4 occasions, for a warehouse, I will be we'll drive there and meet them
in action.
Near Cochilwom. So we were also challenging Grofubia could be a cocoa now war or the cocoa no could jira them community 1 station at Wape car de cocoa nako near Cotrial.
Makojimadi.
Yamawa Cochilwom. So those things need see. The year 2009 and my boss will promote to director call a different department. In Amina maybe a manager or head office. And also maybe a manager or head office. Direct there were 3 locations, Kumasi, a friendly takeover centers, Kumasi, Takrady, and Tema. Hona all these warehouse, cocoa warehouse, just a washer when you know to contract near day, share near day.
Ma memra mu say na obi beka say sabra wo kwa wo ba nyina na sabra no wanya ho kani ana se na ankona maja sujadie nkwa na na mu
me ware me yere
Let's me abonidi.
Our friend Doris Kisidu Kwapo.
Oh yeah, now you buy for your G and yo. Auntie Doris, and a pay mawachi.
You're a kitra.
That's all right.
You want to meet your worry 1989.
89.
Me hunu 85. Na.
On your croponi.
Very fear the chrome.
I do chrome.
The papa fear the chrome. The mammy or chini.
Tama call a Nifana na Huna na Bono Tohana.
Me hunu just after Nifa. Just after Nifa. No Krobo girls.
Okay.
Yeah. Just after Nifa. Na on the young cousin, young Adaf. Na see our way enough the closest friends. If you school our basis na ishia we cropon baby.
That's by the
So I'm na what have we on here no so our friends say no so okay. The anu echi no na you started say you did in comma sabre no e ni ho
telephone ni ho
you did in comma na you be na fo kase na developing no sabre no call if you no call poly ko ye catering no poly if you poly no the first station I'm say na Akosombo ko ye the practicals wa Akosombo hotel the fair Akosombo hotel no nya metro mo adwuma ti wodne ba PTC the PTC mo na mifi adwuma meba sra no ne ade na 89 no e decide so ye be ware ti be ko hu na abutuafo
Enti metro de em se ne nyina no entichewo no em so be sra nyina na ye chi kakra ma ne ade ye be ko homes na ye ne ye mame adi nkita mama anapa wuti enka ye mawachi
Ejimuso
na po mutire ye ho ado mame fa cha ba kro so ma in unity
we serve.
Thank you.
I don't know who did metro ana.
Da bi miri ye metro pa enti minimu kakra.
Una da no ba fie no.
Sa pepe.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, ye ho adom ye ho ye pa. Anapa yes every bebre yes aka maja eye yura Kisidu Kwapon wa better half ura. Ye need dinkita ho na ene ye pese wudi ne ho adanse waka bra mushia ye na kokrobo guest na wie ye kopole ni ade wa me randa ni nyina so tie ya so di ho adanse ye pa se wa yo repa wa bia no ama yakopon de mabedum pepe so ura den na betimi akafa ura ho amamanfo etimi ate
yo me da se me tia mo so se ebe me na me jia na nka ebi anka me nti se ni amiti tikakra metumi akafa no ho ni se oyo no kwafo me ba to bia na chi na akoye yi ka fe nti no
mama fafra ye beti
na ogunu no obu ade anso oya organizer bibia ebezi efie bia ye kese me na busu ma na se ni na fofo ane ade no utumi ba na na betina se obeboa da bia se ye di bibia to na yeye obe advice o ye mfa ye si ebe se bibia be koso pepe na o council so o ye councilor udi wa sembe tu nani ma ono be kanu pepe be kama bibia ye fine ya tena asungem for a long time you know ye beda nyame ase o pepe so odi abedi
Auntie Doris yan kan say abra wusi ano na unim sese na ebeko ana young man na wasi so no so okori suku na hu ne se bia na because was surprise us na e wo kan die hu ne se be ko sei
ni anka no na ja me yo hia ni bia eja ye ju yan hunti no ono so ye bibi sa anti ne ye mienu na me so se ye betumi a blend na ye tumi ama ne ma ya ke kan ne ma si ani na ye yi nti no mi hu se bibi beba
me tan usa bia wo twam ana out front aja kra ne abrana mo nam na me hu mo ba odona no de enti dia na ura aya bakasa de me ura ye mani anyi ho wo bibisa
mɛka biribi kakra na yɛasere kakra me wurate wei sɛ ebi ate sɛ yɛwɔ hɔ ɛnnɛ yi na ɔhɔhoɔ bi bɛba a ebi hɔ ɔnka nkyerɛ wo ntam o wowɔ hɔ a woyɛ w'adeɛ no a ebi a w'ani abere yɛ ade na waba ase saa na yɛfrɛ me o yɛfrɛ me ase
Mate,
ọba ọsị aka ememenya ahụhụ ebi na adị na dadada waka ọdị onuso ọka ama ya na nsị saa dị na ụya na ya amị mpe n'obi bi anụ aka jire m njem na chese
tibi abụọ
emi na adị ya ụya ebi ya na amị mpe nji debi ya yesa na enye na eja nsụmanya ni den na dawuru ma na masom na maye
na ne nyina mu no adeɛ bi wɔ hɔ a ɔyɛ no deɛ ɔpɛ paa no deɛ ɔtwene okura no bi otu kwa na adeɛ paa na ɔpɛ no deɛ ure mfiri da
afutuo bi a bibi sire me so na so ni hɔ a ebi ana sɛ ɔwɔ akyi dɛ sɛ mefrɛ ne ade ba kɔ wɔ around anka saa kyɛ na wobɛtumi asɔfo saa problem na ma me
Oye. Sɛ mmɔfra no yɛ sɛn?
Mepatɛ wɔn yɛ mmienu me wɔ ɔbaa baako ɛna ɔbɛrima baako.
Wonderful. Na ɔmo mu bia ɛsɛ ne papa ne yɛ mu bibia mu.
Ɔpanyin no.
Ɔbarima no wɔ ho.
Wuhu mo pɛ ɛna ne kasa ne yɛ nyinaa ɛsɛ ne papa
Yo, arapai yebegyina atiefoɔ nam no wura nam de aseda kɛse aseda piesie pa ma san sɛ barima bɛbɔ bra no bɛkɔ nanim na wadi yi a na obia wasinebo ɛtai n'akyi ɛsɛ esum mu ɛhan mu ɔne ne bɛkɔ wura ha bia no nso bɛka anigye sɛm bi akyerɛ mpacho gyina so ma no
you mate tale
yes no today
kasai
ne awaka ne nyina wo mti yɛda ase me jedi say yaba akwantu na yaba to this stage na dodo na no eyawo if say sana ya kan wo infitiase no obekeso but yaba sang ntino the rade da wase so
Anabai Mrs. Doris Kisiedu Kwapo anabai yedi asida kese ma yeda wase
Udase ya mishram
onshra so anabai yewra Kisiedu Kwapo ne no kani ni better half na obon mra no Charlie
no friend
sabe be onya de anade ato ai chok enti ebra wo ye adwuma no na wo ye we nyina no be kai yenko etikakra be kai otichafo ni bi ewo ebia the most middle no mo ne buru be kai otichafo ni bi obo ana wo wukura ne ba na ne yiri bia na busu ni bi retie
kai okay young master wo Methodist no friend Mr. Ansa na fortunately na ne baba akoya me mate
okay
school na oye master bi na ono no say o interest o sheda
ne ni ku ho
yes and especially no na feel say me minimade and say at any point no memo obi twa me because say call class 4 na class 4 na a Rebbe girl be fiakra or no buy in class.
No be see any.
Or me see any na a radi charmy. Na ya some kase.
Local champion pa na bro.
Champion na. Or come and him kakra but the next time no.
Recover fast. Then you shock.
Yo. No sa papa na da bia me school fees I am na metua. Me papa no tua school fees. Me mama no tua school fees. Na what to na ko school na unkita school fees. No we twa ma ko fie ko.
Ebe to me. My neighbor teacher no so pa. I'm say me dey between school fees.
Me between school fees. Now ma coffee. The next day na say o ko twetwe na o di bishop say me na me de.
What they call?
No Methodist.
Ne Methodist. Na oyo kroponi.
Filate.
Filate. Oh yeah. E na hwan biem na be kai, obekae du krom nifa ana say Pope John baby.
Nifa teachers no. Miss Preko. Miss Preko that's the TSC.
Oh yeah.
Mr. Na on the for the assembly vice assistant headmaster. Mr. Ofori a friend young headmaster Kasade, Mr. JG Obedu. He's 95 or 96.
And he's still alive.
He's still alive.
Wonderful. Wow.
Only one guy who or more do.
A lot of you guys.
Yes. Because na mo friend be ye na be sunye but no only wedding. So
about dano
and he basically no that's a tiasi. A friend guy Paul.
And about opinion JG Obedu and about here can unyuma ye na swaba no Bible say unyuma bedi wachi and papa kisedu kwapon or dawase na obo samra so mra na say Guy Paul akra oti enka arafai etu chema akra e why ade akra na classmate for no kaka bi
you for member class class your lawyer Jelate your Madam Peace Siedu Kwame Ochirado Susanna Kwache Comfort Hagan no or young girls prefer. Yeah. So now you move in batches because now a new school. The second batch.
Who play in a leadership role school?
Yes, Nifana me be a house prefect for house 4.
House 4.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Pope John me do Pope John's form. Na me be dining hall prefect.
Wow. And as I be worry metro.
Yes. Dining hall prefect.
Interesting.
Dining hall prefect na been compromised on so many things.
Very strict. One for that matter.
Yes, very strict. Na me wo experience wo nifa as middle school in team boys no recall dining hall we are want to need say obe look neat so we are person look neat or the shang dining hall because we are not girl be or horn yard and cutlery tea will be used but me call Pope John na boys no it be I don't care. One person what dressing nicely.
It has always been with single sex school. Yeah. After we no overhead any identity, I understand. Yeah.
The culture was say, over dining hall, now won't tuck in your shirt. You won't eat.
You cutlery. You
won't eat. And I ensure to say, be a if you know chale to me.
Go back.
And it worked. It worked. Say at some point, was you. Yes.
Conform very good. Ete ni nyina mu no na wo hwe adwuma ekọ awie suku no mni ade wanya hokani ben na wo don share Kristosumu cause me hwe recorded mami a mfoni kura ka ho wo bon mode pa ewo Christ asafoni mu am say wakitekete di bia bia wo de aboa ka ho sam kakra kire
me manye YPG no manye YPG but at I was coming back 2000 okay now me kwa sorry but year 2000 na by say me be di asaf paying enti your core vetting and na me be presbyter. I ran the core and no for 8 years. 8 years up to 2008. Yeah, and normally we had ultimately two terms, 2 4-year terms, until maybe I don't know. Let's say a break. Na other.
There's what 2 terms.
Yes, 2 terms.
Now say ultimately a packet kakra. Nema for so akwanya.
Until after the another term break, wait another two terms. So a break 2008 to 2012. Then 2012 I came back to 2020.
Another 8 years. And what's NC
And I'm a the 2000 and a move and be a senior presbyter.
Okay.
That was about the second term. Yeah, maybe a senior presbyter. And also me running for that. And the early part of this year. Now, also, as I said, me sang but for another position, which is a lay rep for the district, and Cecilia me lay rep Akropong district lay rep or President Church of Ghana.
Oh yeah. Say I feel I do a feeling not to her. And I pray you tell ye Emma ye ne yera kisi do kwapon na Kroponi utie ni kasa mu a o maami Kroponi o papa Kroponi enti Kroponi 100% o ye pure enye nchen kra kron
me papa no fi manfe
o fi manfe se ne o kan de o de kron kra ena ne wajibre a o che na brabo mu nsem kabro kosuku na ona mu konye adwuma koko board ye adwuma no kosuku ko shan ho kani ene emofra ya wawo mu aka nyina ho asem e de a kire agbo no kron apa minute aduanan sia just about 40 minutes na no ndo abone so enche ye ne krofo ba community be din kita ho na ye hwe ensem aya krofo achura baby Kwaku Ernest Ajay say good morning Mr. Kisiedu and I also mawachi Victor Ohene or say Mr. Kwapon what took you to a dukroom and yeah okora dukroom near a dukroom for where Kwapon for you could see why. Also I like his Christian life. God bless you say we call his wife Asil. She's a fantastic woman and a dukroom for na Emma fans. I said with his in-law the late police Domte at Adukrom and his wife, sister, who's also late, sister mother. She taught me English at Adukrom praise before leaving for America. You know, Victor Hene, and I'll do way about what the ebe can come on home. Ofe Maxwell say, Ofe Salem driver, yes, I bring to urge more Salem water. Or say, Mr. Kised is my brother. He have helped our family a lot. May the good Lord continue to bless him. I say, Ninyano, Obusiamuno, Ninyano, Ofe Maxwell. Na oka mwa odi abo abusiana ontimi nka ena wawie tinyakopon enkoso a emwa na ohira onye okese Kwajo Kisiedu Kwapon or say my chairman himself also and so ebo aba so meji se be oba brante no yo and I pay Salinana Ajebia or say the Lord bless you very much Mr. Kwapon and also ena odesa and semi ebebo also bet him to text message and on WhatsApp, or the 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971. Or the Fawa, a bit me, I can come out. After so called Facebook, I will hear Okuman Radio 97.1. Obey me with text message and no comment. Our opinion to her. Now I can kind the amount. Now watch a page, you know. Of course, why I and Yakwajo like the page and become a member of this very fantastic family. Now, intimi and no any kita enkwanim ene yem say papa say wagofo na okase wakra wenpo opani kwabna kwapon na oyeden
no okuafo
no kwani wa hu enti wa ekua kakra
yo
musu wani jikwa na nbe won sasa kakra bi da ho a ni nyina em say da ma bia no ye be develop tukua kese pa o ma me so atawoye kakra ta kakra ono so yede
no tong niama kakra no obo ani kunu so
Kua kakra from a very modest background abusia be na adam
Duana Busia.
Duana Busia mo card fo
Yo.
Oye.
Me ma men jade one way asuna.
Okay. Oye, you hu say wo adwumakuo bi a wa wate. Mansa na be mo wrap up wo cocoa board. You say wo ahomgiem. Tu cocoa duru ehe wo ye adwuma ni mfie dodo sen and now rising to what a position of the CFM.
Me adwuma cocoa board for 38 years. Mfie eduasa wotwe. Me fie adwuma mu 2018. Na me fie adwuma mu na me director of human resource. Me fie warehousing and port operations, me call research department. Me call research department as research manager and later as research director, deputy director, and me acting as director. And no mono echi ansana me at some point me be human resource manager or seed production division. And also Nkraba Tobacco, cocoa board in Nkraba Tobacco. Nti ano ya chino na me be director of human resource. Na me director of human resource and I'm DFI cocoa board. Nti na me adwuma o cocoa board fe eduasa otwi 38 years.
Yeah, na they say wa bo ho modern bebre e de ama oman Ghana wasomo man.
Yeah.
Apaja kodru baby etisa chese cocoa board de obi ni mu a ne twada so nyina bebi sawa anye bia usi for me umtimi tai fra obi a ji adwenkyire bi bibi be kire mu ye
yo bi maybe wo ha me no won di nsawo yo
e dey pa na ope ase adansie ade ye wani kana ye wakono a naturalist who want to keep things in a natural state. Please tell us about that.
Yeah, I don't see it back.
Me see if you know say ajo bia owo adansie ho akono ene ani gino bitima hye dan no si hye no ho
ene ye back na say na wo kan environmentalist me manage say me hu say yet
the natural
environment ayi obehome from a papa ene ade yewe cocoa board no na yani forestry commission programs na initiatives are eboa se yentwa kwai ngu bebre na cocoa awodua no kra wo beja o ndua wo mu na ama kwai ama cocoa no anyinga du baby nti sa programs no nyina ye niam a hye me nkran se baby a wotene de se wo hwe se wo bema ndua anyin wo ho nti se na wo kan wo kwai be about 3-4 acres wo mechi mi finechi ho benye ma adwere se bede me sabeka se ye betwa agu
moment be an betime in natural state.
Yes.
As I'm just say kwapem no for some no be boom. Na my hiking kan asem tire.
Kwapem no for won adi je ho say won me be partnership was a program no. Enti ye ko hiking wom. Ye twitwa trails, ye twitwa kwan atotum a se wo pese wo tietia wa apo mu a otumi ba na ye do fam na wo de tietia wa apo mu. Ye pese ye no to say eco park. Ye pese ye to say eco park tourist ni ade nyina betumi aba. Ya organize programs to last year ye organize a program ye dey buses far tourist people ho be far sa kwa enum. So that time no was what we call Boti Falls. but what could do boti force no a car on Kwananka or Tanaya Hatchay. I know ne and the shadia ya war say ye be develop ama konanim na abeka tourist center say wo ekwapem obi baby a obenya baby jenani na the yere basketball courts volleyball pitch your table tennis boards wo your pool table just a bit my best hold the whole day family will be any swimming pool but that you be swimming pool
so ye kwa anymore
you quite not anymore
na Dutan group no eno ye den amoye
Dutan group yeah to say ni ame boss
ye tourism ne hospitality tifie no oba benya baby kura so ye
you so develop baby a oba obenya aso and you wholesale for drinks ye chain no sena you bibia enra ye na ma fi hene event or ye
25th anniversary no
5th anniversary event ye and I wo ye college college
obi ntiase se mo de niema eka twiniema
twiniema because your trucks near the twiniema say wo niema bi wo baby a ye betumi afa de akọ baby ama and your agro chemical a shop and the in fact your management consulting as well. Management consulting and the training to say more staff yes you better maybe training more staff a trainee hotel staff a trainee other staff and so and the I know near my as Dutan group so far no your partner other organizations so your warrior programs be to say kiddie talent shows so far your partner of one
BNG
BHG for the past 4 years
okay
yes the support one now what kiddie talent show
I see I'm say what homodin na why you no dey ababa bi o say friend Suzy Obobi o say Openi case has been the nosal present since it starts till date. He is a workaholic, quiet but execute to the core. He is a cat-like, slow to issues, but doesn't bark like the dog. Openi, you do all. God bless you. Suzy Obobi, another way. Abba say yankin catch.
No sir.
No sir, anyway.
The far old students.
Oh, okay. And
when I'm your president.
President from there almost
about 18 years.
Wow. Why are they? Atta Daniels Kwadade. I say, please thank him for me. Words can't explain. God bless you. I'm right TV say friend Atta Daniels Kwadade. And Kwajo Bobuti. I say my role model. And I know so anyway I become share we nyina ye kana yenim say ekuo be the lions ya hu say ne crown ball kan anim se kire so be mo aka ho asem a kire na ansa na no ye kan ne aba no ebi aba be ka ho am say kofi makan we nyina ho yo enti lions na moye na juma be na odi wom
Lions Club Lions Club International a service club Lions Club service club boy the underprivileged here for ne and a young focus back here the blind
You know, I'm more money what touch man.
Lions Club no ye South American International Organization war branches. They 48,000 branches.
Wow.
You in your membership you about 1.5 million
around the globe.
Around the globe.
Wow.
And you were five global courses. Environment. You say you better say.
You put them on the bed. Never send you.
You were feeding the hunger.
On my say be come do any only be a phone.
Mom hungry. You have diabetes. Yeah, diabetes awareness.
Mama crofo any bomb also.
Yeah.
Say be ya uncle nya sichi yadie. And oma nya biso mo bomb kwan bi so.
And sites Enuwa yare and childhood cancer.
Koda wanya kokram yadie.
So sanya man yehwe. Na yeboa into yeboa society no. Ghana has this year no Tema Lions Club, maybe what Tema Lions Club. Na Tema Lions Club no if any person you be krum ha. But Tema Lions Club na ye see Tema General Hospital Eye Clinic. Yeah, they about 10 years. 10 years.
Yes,
and they are equipping. Yeah, they free near the agum. Hona wash it.
Anyway,
the several Tema community, a shaman,
a Fienyan, Potamunina.
Na Ghana has so far near about 44 clubs. About 44 clubs. Into your Ghana district. Your Ghana district. Young highest new district governor. And on ne dom.
In penny for
na me my year abe zone chairperson. So the club biano president and the executives. And a zone chairperson no share 5 clubs so. And the class 44 na ya one ya chichem into zones. The zone be kita about 6 clubs. Me ma share zone be paying. But Sabre na yani francophone countries. Benin and Cote d'Ivoire boom. And I be the zone chairperson. And a club ye jedi say nipa bedomo yanga ye betima boa ye patam
ani ye
ho
oh yeah why are there na obeka say e dia na e hye wodin e dia na mo wani gi e dia na what moves you to do all that you've been doing?
Say obu adipa say obu adipa nti eno ye one say
motivation
obehwe say wo community a wo am patam nipa bedi so that's it. Maybe a wo privilege to be where you are baby a what do nti enyo bia nso na ote say wo nti obi a on te say wo na say wo to me boa mo fra brante say mrante ne maba
mabunu
to me ko nganim eno so ye ne ma ho hia bebre so nti saa ne ma etumi man nipa di ye no ana se otumpon wa abrabom na no nyina ye ne ma etome kuma so se betumi abo nipa
the motivation say obi mu say wo bu afoforo no mu so free o mu ha mu na e ma wani je ma wa nkeka kese pa oye anapai ansana be kono bia na nipa ba komienu bi wo ha pese o da o mase jumaso bi o ma bo robi o ma play in your lives etwamu ene emprempren wadaroma akwanya ho ma
nipa ne ye bebre o
kakra be kai
nipa ne ye bebre me adwuma mu se me bosses pa ma fa won some ne doso the bosses the very first one Mr. Kwesi wow riding fan in crazy at some point no na ye doso nipa ye move in the same the same qualification, same skills, but who say, oh, this one
Met me pajano and na BBC. You turn it certificate pajawa.
And me paying for mafa was some yinano onyina so aboa asore paying for asofu ni ade ye no won ahia me won a bompai ma wo because me uncle honestly you know will be a motor which of abo fe ukon ho a obe ma nkran share abompai ma nipa de bi wo form nanso we encourage you so chief chief yababo chief adwuma mu ni nyina ma nema akoyie efiefo abusuafo cousins ni ade onyina ka ho meyere memma onyina nipa won a they will encourage you ebia na nema bi kura fa wadwum so the band say and now for they have all been good so nema on sani panin na ye nipa
say odoma say oh yeah na ni nyina mu no obi say are you fulfilled?
Yes. Yo
okuma to yem
yo enye ensiase ye but one or two things say nye niema ni nyina wontumi nye ni nyina wa hoden so what you say enti dodo na wujama rade mani ye so what you say because o case o betimi aye ni nyina enye ye so o ye bi na they are can one rade control
Abanka say oh sorry what aroma e die ne nkranhyesem afutuo ya de be mabu na omutie o na bai
oh ni amaka kire mabu ni say abrabo ni ye na shase no ye eding enya dia ubenya no say oh wanya ni trodo sa do fiase nkakra the biada na me hwe de to say me dem nkonwa asat a certain time sa bre na ye fiase na wo hwe ne a uhu difference a lot intino and then mabunu sometimes embere bi edu bribia na so ye ntumirika mabunu e won so won ntumirika but enye sa na ye nkakra ena ni ameka kasepa ni yese biribiara mu wani wo ho so se wo bayire wo ho na wo develop wo ho so make assemble ko be wo adwuma mu no bra mpanyefo ani beba meso no ana wo ani beba wo ho so no na makoye course bi dedaw privately on my own nti me CV ope bibi obi de na bibi a
we na da so
we hwe na da so so at some point be me and my bosses be kotra baby and those were the things sa na man na work ho asem so kisi edu we hwe no na wa yeyi nti abufra bia wo ho a enye niam ni bi wo ho a enye sika so niam ni bi wo ho a enye sika ba se wo wankasa wo ho nkuranhye bi se wo beye na watuma ko anim eno na ehia so nti se nemafo ye mabunu me jedi say what for some of these things ebebo
anabai yewra kisi du kwapon mwakad adwana mwakad ni dihye okroponi kronkron anabai kuma radio tiefo ne empanyimfo adumayefo ye bo abaso se nei wo ye lifetime achiever wo bo hu modern ayɛ ɔso no deɛ de asom wo man okuro ɛne mmea bebree wɛtɛm a ne ɛkɔɔ sɛ mgye sɛ contribution wɔ paa enti anɔpɛ sɛ Nyankopɔn sɛ ɔnkɔ so mmoa wo na ɔmmɔ ho ban ɔnkora wo so na ɔmmɔ akoma so adeɛ a wofo sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ anso afiri atase fa asase so no ɔma ne mmerɛ mu kɔ so ɛma moma so nyɛ deɛ ɔma ni yie wasefo nso ni yie sɛ odwene afoforɔ ho no saa na mmra nso so anɔpɛ yi yɛda ase na wobere ɛna wada agye ba wokɔ ɛbɛbisa sɛ adwom bɛn ɛna apɛ sɛ yɛbɔ ɛde ma wo
nso bɛdɔ ɔkoma ase ɔkoma radio ase ne ɔkwan a mɛnya na mɛtumi ɛne mo abɛdi nsa nkɔmmɔ yi adwom paa deɛ momma me praise dwom bɛn na mowɔ
ɔbɛn DJ sɛ praise be him bi praise be remission kwa bu ya shiko benya bi ho ma honye ha na yɛbɔ makra na onso onfa anjojo ne kra sanse waye bi obari ma beye bi na wa me ni nyina enti hudu ha mami pa bibi de mami hudu ha na me moma me papa yo
Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Oh, share time and wahaya bought no do a permanent do me and say yes, or so on is a pay a jumi yera see do quapon and now what be sassy young mano now a chair dear name or to no more see you want an edin year pa na a yanisoke see obi at the test message biaba na mekania sorry so your friend John Mack or say Mr. Kisedo has been my secret role model. I've learned so much about his exemplary life, which has really had a positive impact on my life. Why I know him is a house of God. His dedication to God's work is at Akropong Christ Presbyterian Church. It's a testimony to many. His son, who was my childhood friend, is called Small Boy. Those days at PTC, he would take me to his mom. In fact, your wife's place and food enough in abundance. And I said, Daddy, may God richly bless you and your family. And I pay and also Ediaba and we have obeso the biaba. I did sorry so and also so near also actual and say boss K. I salute you, my daddy, my mentor. Nanaya Wasante and odi way abba. Anapai MCB so asamba. Or say he sought the surgery of an old student which amounted to 89,000 cedis. Rescued another who was camped on the family decision to be a fetish and more. Congrats. Yenya Suzobobi or said na no other na mumeti bia wokoye surgery o student utimi gina mu ehwe boaboa niema no toto niema ema 89,000 almost 900 million kanisika 90,000 anisa na ohwe ema surgery no operation no ekoso enye no a ose ba akonso na busu afọ na koto ba bi se opewompe wo ne koto akomtitiem na onko sua akomtitiem ye komfo utimi rewre mu a ehwe na kade ne ade efata ekoje ni firi ho amene wade ne ho entinyama bebre eno aya enei omanfo eka eto mu no na network no ye try se efre wono me no mhye ya ya nya ono mu amie no ankasa anyiwaye waye bi ebrema be ye bi ntano pai ya da wase na ediesia yakopon boa na kina wuti so Okuma radio kasa na ye ne diasida PCA ma wo ye da sida se a ensa da se da se buru bema radin kamo on kan so ho Arapai se utie ya eye Okuman FM tumedi atudin se obrakwa to reloaded version and I know ya say edia ba yi papa kise kwapon abetina gwam na oni adi na brabo mu komo meji se wanya suade bi afiri mu wanya nkranhye bi afiri mu na wonu se kakrakra wona manaso boa wo ho. Life is about preparation and all the fortunes that the soul comes with. O papa betime adwuma wura na ode ahwenye ye yedu kunya security science only people the accounting show say wo say no marketing wo say no and just say okogina security na ubie gate na otwe hama na the opportunity is there but you are not prepared to take up any role into wa na wo bua ho anopa asida kese enkoma Korea German any park kwese omni producers no pomo bo atoto niema eso mi mu ne adwuma die bro Listowall Kwame Oheda Kosafo Mafo the late anopa odo asida kese enkoma D-boy raised to the power one methodist for nyina amrante hene ena Kwame Amponsa Adi Kelvin Listowell ana Listowell kan dewe Safumafo ena Chikata ena Duchum Okroponia wasadi ni bebre Kwame enzo Kelvin da Kelvin ono so boy ana pa DJ Zigibi DJ Vibe DJ Donzi ena McFarlane ene nana ohinkese ampon ampaw samrante nyina e boy na dijumadi bro chief executive producer Yera Emmanuel Into Kisiedu on a bo yechidom e basa jumedia e bo yechidom pa no pai ye sorry so ane dia sakesie e na ekwama akra mama yawo oti enka echiao Dr. Opoku Benson ne wa pagya ne mu eko professor and professor Opoku Benson doc and pai also oti enka ye mo achi ye sorry si na nenua Nana Kwame Perry the finest and e beto as media mejeso ene Kofi Anson bafo KB imamoni tia ejimodishe yankopon eboa Joda jebese show free kosutie Okuma radio
Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.